Jiaxingfeng Sheng Textile Company Limited. Established in 2015. Located in Jiaxing, that enjoy convenient transportation. Our associated factory that occupies an area of 2,150 square meters and have air-jet loom and water-jet loom for kinds of polyester, nylon, spandex, rayon, cotton, tencel fabric weaving, including TRTC fabric, TRTC spandex fabric, myclaber, pongee, Oxford, satin. We have GRS certificate for several recycled fabrics. Meanwhile, we have wrinkle machine for kinds of fold pattern dealing. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. With export license, we export products to Canada, Malaysia, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, England, America, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, Peru. Our products gain wide praises at home and abroad. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our tenet is quality is our culture and sincere service customers first. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.